So I got my package and I'm unboxing in the car. So I do it. Hold on. Okay, so this is the package. Taking out stuff out of the package. It came with a wig stand. Okay, in Chinese. Woohoo! I'll go on Google Translator. But yeah, came with that, and it came with curly hair care, application tips, and removal tips. Nice. Oh, there's the next side, and hair care instructions, yucky and kinky hair, and wavy hair. Okay. Oh, it comes with two. Okay. And then this is but full lace wig, 100% Indian Remy hair, 18-inch top closure 5x5. It's supposed to be silk. Root 2 427 rest 2, loose wave as photo, medium light glueless combs. So this is it. One moment. So this is it. Has like a, this is 120 density. I don't know if you can see that. My camera's getting too close. But this is it. Does it have a smell? Yeah, a little bit. It's nice. Comes with a mesh on it. Here itself, texture feels very, very, very soft. Very, very soft. Like, very soft texture. It's actually lighter than the picture. The picture online is more golden. This is more like white. It's a little lighter than what it was showing. It looks more like 613 or number 20 something, 24, and maybe 2. 2 looks like 4. Oh yeah, it is a 4. That's my bad. Is it? Oh, it's supposed to be a 2. It looks like a 4. Oh well. And this is the inside of it. The combs. Feels very soft. The comb there. And that's the inside of it. Get back to you on how it looks when I wash it and all the above. Toodles.